Namaskar, all of you. Today I am Thiajan and is going to tell you about monuments of France. Name of monuments of France are Eiffel Tower, second Triple Arch, third Our Lady, fourth Pantheon, a Louvre Museum, and Orsay Museum. Let's talk about Eiffel Tower. Eiffel Tower is a hallmark of Paris, France, with a tower being 984 feet. It's hard not to notice it. The tower has a restaurant, a radio, and a television transmitter, and more. Gustave Eiffel created the tower to enter the World Fair. It was made to with wrought iron head medium with wind resistance. Augusta started in 1889 and finished in 1910. Gustave Eiffel created the Eiffel Tower. Triple Arch. A triple arch is a freestanding monumental structure in the shape of an archway with one or more arched pathway, often designed to span a road. In its simplest form, a triple arch consists of two massive piers connected by an arch crowned with a flat innertable or attic on which a statue might be mounted or which bears commemorative inscriptions. Our Lady of Lourdes is a Roman Catholic title of the Blessed Virgin Mary venerated in honor of the Marian apparitions that are claimed to have occurred in 1858 in the vicinity of Lourdes in France. Pantheon. A pantheon is one of the best preserved monuments of ancient Rome. The structure completed around 128 to 126 to 128 AD. The Pantheon is situated on the site of an earlier structure of same name built around 25 BC by the statesman Marcus Agrippa, and it's thought to have been designed as a temple of Roman gods. A Louvre Museum. The Louvre was originally built as a fortress in 1190 but was reconstructed in the 16th century to serve as a royal palace. During its time as a royal residence, the Louvre saw tremendous growth. Nearly every monarch expands. Today it covers a total area of 66 lakh 52,300 square feet. The Orsay Museum. The museum building was originally a railway station. Gare des Ors, a conduct for the Chemin de Fer de Paris. It was the terminus for the railway of southwestern France until 1939. By 1939, the station's short platform had become unsuitable for the longer trains that had come to be used for main line service. Thank Mercy Thank you for watching my PPT.